Welcome to this day in the life of me. So basically today's gonna be an interesting day. Well, kind of. So I'm going to grab a scope of work with one of the general contractors that I'm working with. I really do hope that it really does make sense and the numbers look really well. So if whatever quote he gives me makes sense, I'm literally going to write the contract, like probably after he gives me that scope of work. Literally, I'll be writing in that contract. So I'm super duper ecstatic, and I brought my camera along, so I really do want to show you guys how the property looks. I want to give you a little insight of our conversation and what we think, how we talk.
And we ain't got to do nothing to the floor. That's the good thing about the floor.
Okay. I know.
Man, we got a toilet in here, a sink.
A good toilet.
It's the sink still in here, and the tub, and it's loud.
Look. 15.
See, that was good out the bathroom. Look like it's pretty sturdy. There's some water coming in this back wall somewhere because you can see it from the outside. The back wall bows down. And this is the back door right here, the back porch.
Okay.
Yeah, it's right up in here somewhere. These windows, this water was getting behind the side down here. So I have to look at it better because you could tell because the side is like sticking out like that. Which means there's water getting behind it. Okay, so I mean, it ain't bad back here.
So how much would it usually be to like fix, or you would have to see outside to see how bad it is, or?
Yeah, because a lot of times up on the seat, the water get under the old, so people put vinyl siding up so they could, usually it's over old wood siding or something like that, and if the water start getting behind it, you can't see it until the doggone water damage thing just gonna start sticking up. How they got that up there? You know that's upside down.
Oh. They said, you know what? I'm tired.
What they was doing.
And they still got this here.
So I'm seeing radiators everywhere.
Okay.
Which I'm assuming with these floors, they a little bit up, you might be able to say them. I'll have to talk to my guy, Sebastian, because these floors, I mean, a lot of floors be saved even when they look this bad. These windows though, so they got, you would have to change these windows because they just got storm windows on here. You see that? That's the window right there.
Oh.
There ain't no window in here. The window was gone.
Yeah.
Because that's the old wood window on this side.
See.
But there's none on this side, but that's storm window, so you would want to change all your windows out.
Definitely.
Windows.
Can we turn something into a third bedroom or?
On this floor? Yeah.
Unless,
They're gonna be super little. I think that's what they did. They probably had a closet in that room. They took the closet out. No, because that's going to the hallway. That's weird. I want to say to another bedroom because ain't really that much space here.
okay, so no.
You could do something.
We're here?
I could do something here, but the problem is it's getting heat back here.
Oh, I see.
So, like I said, they had radios in here. I'm assuming they would take them out, but ain't no ductwork here, which means you got to put a furnace in or somewhere.
So how much would it cost to usually for a 2 or 3 unit building? Put furnaces.
Usually I bottom line number depending on how bad it is. It's usually between this normal range, 30 to 50,000 per unit. Because depending on what all you gotta do. If you talking about all new electrical, all new plumbing, you still gotta clean up the drywall. These floors might be good, but 30,000 a unit, that's not bad. That's still minimum 30 typically is no less than that because it depends on what. Because that's including we talking about putting in new windows. That's why I said 30 to 50 per unit. About the roof, all the parapet wall, the back porch,
That was
parking. pad in the back or whatever you're gonna put back. That was a lot of work over there.
Mm-hmm. That makes sense.
I mean, you gotta.
So if that was a 50, then this has to be a 30.
I mean, it's right around that there. We're talking about the basement, so we still, if we say 30 plus the basement, 15. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so 60.
You know, that's 75 to 80 at the most. You know what I'm saying? We might be able to do it for like 70.